Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites: Meshy or Meshy AI installed and GPU enabled. Once done, import a high-contrast 2048px image with background removed to improve depth estimation. Next, set model options to the image-to-depth pipeline and choose a base mesh resolution, lower for speed, higher for detail. Make sure to allocate at least 4 GB of RAM and enable CUDA or metal acceleration so processing won't stall when you generate the initial depth map. You'll run the image-to-depth conversion and inspect the base depth map for errors. Correct major artifacts using the in-app mask or manual brush. Once satisfied, convert the depth map to a mesh and set subdivisions between 2 and 4 to balance detail with performance. After conversion, bake the texture onto the mesh, repair seams with the Seam Fix tool, and perform 1 or 2 smoothing passes to remove blockiness. These steps ensure your 3D output is clean and texture aligned. You'll export the final mesh as FBX or OBJ with textures embedded and include LODs if the app supports them. Once exported, optimize by decimating to your target polygon count and retest the model in a viewer or engine to confirm normals and UVs stayed intact. If you see texture stretching or hole artifacts, rebake using higher sample counts or reapply masks to the problematic regions. If the mesh topology still fails, lower subdivision and rerun conversion.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.